Oh, hi. Welcome to my new video series, which is Teachers. Yes, I'll be talking about people who have shaped my life. And for today, I have two of memorable teachers that I've met. One, the first one is a great athlete, a playing coach of a professional basketball team, which taught me what customer centricity is all about. And the second one is kind of interesting because he is a former co-worker in my last company that I worked with, and he actually showed grace under pressure. So, without much ado, I'll talk about customer centricity. So, there was this basketball game between the team of this very great playing coach of a very popular team here in the Philippines. And they actually won. And after the game, I went to the dugout, and there was a long queue of people who were hoping to get his autograph. And I saw myself probably I'm the 200th person, and it's already late at night. But lo and behold, that great playing coach waited for everyone. He signed all of our pieces of papers, and he actually placed personalized notes on each of our papers, and he signed them. He individually signed those papers, and he talked to us. And that's the reason why he is so much popular throughout the country. And I will never forget how important I felt during that instance. So to me, that is world-class customer centricity. So the second one is a former coworker of mine. Uh, he is based in the US, and he normally leads uh, client meetings during the time. And of course, there are times that the conversation would be very serious. But this particular leader that I know, he always exhibits patience, flexibility, intelligence, and a very high EQ. He showed us how to be graceful under pressure. So I've attended all of those meetings, and I really learned a lot from this person. He probably is one of the best in presenting uh, things to the client. And I'm forever grateful that I learned a lot from him. All right. Okay. So stay tuned. There will be a lot more of this. I'll be sharing a lot of experiences and teachings that I've learned from great leaders within the life that I lived in the industries that I worked. God bless.